Capital One credit cards or cards for beginners. Now, first of all, if you are a beginner on Capital One Bank, it's not a matter of a beginner or professional. You will definitely have an option to apply for a credit card and choose between what kind of credit cards that you want. You can go to capitalone.com and here you'll find credit cards option. Here you can see types of credit card, right? So what we will do is we'll actually just click on this button, that is credit card, or we can go to this capitalone.com/credit cards. Here you can see if you can apply with confidence and see if you're pre-approved. So you can fill out a certain form that they are going to give you and see that you're approved. And there are some of the cards that are most popular for building credit with cashback, with travel points for students or for whatever else. But the most popular one is the Platinum Mastercard. Get the credit you need with no annual fee. Enjoy $250 with the Venture Rewards, which is excellent and limited time offer. You have the Quicksilver Rewards, unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase. And you can view all of the card details that you're looking for, and you can choose to also apply for them if you're pre-approved. If you can select that, you can go ahead and view it. So hope this video helped you clarify. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.